Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to write GitHub actions. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official GitHub website right here at github.com. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So in the main page, first things first, we need to log into our account in the upper right corner. If you don't already have an account, you can go and sign up for a new one. And if you have an account, you can just go and log in. After logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can go and take a look at repositories. Right here, we have our home icon and home page that we can access with all the projects we have and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at what we can do to go and write our actions. Basically, actions are appearing in our repositories. I'm going to open up our repository right here that I have. As you can see here, I have a repository, and now we can get started with actions. Here at the top of the screen, we have our actions page that's going to enable us to access any actions that we have within the repository. Here you can get started with managing your actions that you have updated with your code. So if you have added code that enables actions to be used, you can access them from right here. If you do not know how to manage the actions, you can just click the settings icon right here. By clicking settings, you're going to open up to manage options for your actions options right here. So as you can see, under the settings options, we have actions where you can go and manage your general settings for your actions. You can manage them, how you can use them if you want to use them, and so on. And all of that is manageable from right here, after which you can go and get started with them. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.